Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Is testing out a monthly vehicle subscription service in Nashville, Tennessee. In the pilot program that begins today, drivers can request vehicles through a mobile app, and there is no limit to how often they can switch cars in a given month. The program, called Access by BMW, is run by local BMW dealers that take care of maintenance and deliveries. After a vehicle has been requested, a BMW concierge drops it off at the customer's desired location fully fueled and detailed. The concierge also tailors the car's settings to match the driver's personal preferences. For all the perks, you can imagine the service isn't cheap. The subscription will set you back between $2,000 and $3,700 a month, at least in the pilot phase. The price includes maintenance, insurance, and roadside assistance. Top tiers are available. In the Legend tier, buyers can choose from the BMW M2, 4 Series Coupe and Convertible, 5 Series, and X5. Plug-in hybrids such as the 530i Performance and X5 xDrive 40i Performance are included. BMW is also offering an M tier for its more powerful offerings, including the M4 Convertible, M5, M6 Convertible, X5M, and X6M. BMW expects to offer more vehicles in the future. BMW hasn't announced specific plans for a nationwide rollout, but it looks like that could happen. A pilot program is a great opportunity for us to learn. In the future, the nationwide network of BMW dealers will be integral to the success of Access by BMW, said Dean Smith, CEO of BMW Group Financial Services USA and Region Americas, in a statement. We will depend heavily on their close collaboration to continue to meet and exceed consumer expectations, and to ensure the sustainable development of this new business model. BMW is following in the footsteps of Cadillac and Volvo, which have created their own vehicle subscription services. Recently, Lexus announced it would offer a subscription service for the new X crossover, although specifics on the program haven't yet been announced. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.